this past weekend, I helped Uncle Pizza and Auntie Pizza install a sink. I never done that ever before in my life. We also went to the 5th annual Poke Festival, and it was not bad. Had some good ones, had some bad ones, but inspired me to make Pokeball. It inspired me to make a Pokeball. And if you didn't know, your boy used to work at a Poke shop. Used to spend 4 years developing a craft of my art. You're in for a treat, or maybe not. First things first, I'm the realist. First things first. You put the poke in a bowl, right? Simple. Bada bing, bada boo. And then you put some salt. Sprinkle that thing, you know? Do I know the measurements? Not really, I just eyeball it. Next, you add sesame oil. Now, don't go to the store and make the same mistake I did. I bought the hot sesame oil. I didn't know it was hot until I started pouring it in, and it was red. It was red. So, I had a little bit of it. But next, then you would add wasabi. Just depends how much wasabi you want, how open of the passage of the nasals you want. It's up to you. In the morning, wasabi is pretty strong, yo. You add mayonnaise. You have to have the Japanese brand. The other mayonnaise, nah, it just doesn't have that same taste. And then we add the wasabi oil. You just put like 1 or 2 drops. You mix it all up. Cut some green onions. Bada bing, bada. I specifically like more of the white side onion because there's more taste, there's more flavor. The greener side is not so much. The more you know. I just wanted to share this with you. Simple, easy, fast, and anyone can do it. So, if you like the video, if you like the recipe, let me know in the comments. Later.